The mysteries surrounding Antarctica have always captured the imagination of scientists, researchers, and conspiracy theorists alike. This vast, icy expanse remains one of the least explored regions on Earth. With its thick ice sheets, extreme weather conditions, and geographical isolation creating a natural barrier to exploration, it has become a symbol of the unknown. Among the countless theories about Antarctica, the notion of an ice wall has emerged as a particularly captivating idea that challenges conventional knowledge. Recent advancements in drone technology have now allowed for unprecedented exploration of this enigmatic region, culminating in a groundbreaking moment: the first ever footage captured by a long-distance drone from beyond the so-called ice wall. This incredible event has sparked both excitement and controversy, raising questions about what lies hidden in the frozen expanse and whether Antarctica holds more secrets than we ever imagined. The concept of an ice wall gained prominence in fringe circles, particularly among flat Earth theorists who argue that Antarctica is not a continent, but rather a massive ice barrier encircling the Earth. According to these claims, this ice wall forms an impenetrable boundary that prevents humans from discovering what lies beyond. While mainstream science has largely dismissed such ideas, the allure of uncovering the unknown has inspired explorers and researchers to push the limits of technology to explore the region further. Enter long-distance drones, sophisticated, unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and navigation systems capable of enduring Antarctica's brutal conditions. These drones have become a game-changing tool in the quest to access areas previously deemed inaccessible. The mission to capture footage beyond the ice wall began with an international team of researchers, engineers, and adventurers who aimed to test the capabilities of their state-of-the-art drone technology. Their primary goal was to collect visual data from remote regions of Antarctica, areas that even the most advanced icebreakers and overland expeditions could not reach. Months of meticulous planning went into the mission, including the design of a drone that could withstand temperatures plummeting below -60°C, gale-force winds, and potential disruptions to its communication systems. The drone was outfitted with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and a satellite uplink to transmit data in real time. The team launched the drone from a research station located near Antarctica's rugged coastline. As it ascended into the icy air, the drone began its journey over the vast ice sheets, navigating treacherous winds and unpredictable weather patterns. The footage captured during its initial flight was mesmerizing. Endless stretches of pristine white ice, jagged mountain ranges, and deep crevasses that revealed the raw power of nature. Yet, it was what lay beyond these familiar features that would ultimately redefine the narrative surrounding Antarctica. After hours of flight, the drone approached the edge of what many theorists refer to as the ice wall. In reality, this was a towering, natural ice formation created by millennia of glacial movement and accumulation. As the drone maneuvered closer, its cameras captured breathtaking views of the icy barrier. For those on the ground monitoring the mission, the sight was both awe-inspiring and surreal. The most extraordinary moment, however, came when the drone successfully crossed this barrier, venturing into uncharted territory. What it recorded sent shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond. The footage revealed a landscape unlike anything previously documented in Antarctica. Beyond the ice wall was a sprawling expanse of rugged terrain interspersed with massive freshwater lakes, flowing rivers, and patches of vegetation. Thermal imaging sensors detected areas of geothermal activity, suggesting the presence of underground heat sources. These findings challenged the long-standing perception of Antarctica as an entirely frozen wasteland and raised intriguing questions about the possibility of life thriving in these isolated regions. The discovery of liquid water in such an extreme environment was particularly significant, hinting at conditions capable of supporting microbial ecosystems or even more complex life forms. As the drone continued its unprecedented journey, it encountered a series of anomalies that defied explanation. Strange geometric patterns etched into the ice and rock hinted at the possibility of human or extraterrestrial activity. Some theorists speculated that these formations were remnants of ancient civilizations, preserved beneath the ice for thousands of years. Others proposed they might be natural geological formations, shaped by unique environmental processes. In addition, The drone recorded peculiar magnetic disturbances that caused minor disruptions to its navigation system, further deepening the mystery of this unexplored region. The mission's success was not without its challenges. The harsh conditions tested the drone's endurance to its limits, and the team faced technical difficulties that required immediate problem-solving. At one point, the satellite uplink temporarily failed, cutting off communication with the drone for several tense minutes. Despite these obstacles, the team remained undeterred, driven by the knowledge that they were on the brink of a historic breakthrough. When the drone finally returned to the research station, it carried terabytes of data that would take months to analyze fully. The implications of the footage captured by the drone are profound. For scientists, the discovery of freshwater lakes and geothermal activity opens up new avenues for research into Antarctica's geology, climate history, and potential for supporting life. These findings could also have broader implications for understanding similar environments on other planets, such as Mars or the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The presence of liquid water and heat sources in such an extreme environment provides a model for studying how life might exist in extraterrestrial settings. For conspiracy theorists, the footage serves as both validation of their curiosity and a catalyst for new speculations. Some interpret the findings as evidence of hidden bases, secret government projects, or even alien activity. The geometric patterns captured by the drone have become a focal point for debates, with interpretations ranging from ancient ruins to landing sites for advanced spacecraft. While these theories lack concrete evidence, they highlight the enduring fascination with Antarctica as a place of mystery and intrigue. The public release of the footage has ignited widespread interest and debate. Social media platforms and online forums have been flooded with discussions about the implications of the discovery, with some hailing it as the greatest exploration achievement of the 21st century. Others remain skeptical, questioning the authenticity of the footage or urging caution against jumping to conclusions. Meanwhile, the scientific community has called for a measured approach, emphasizing the need for further research and verification of the findings. The success of this long-distance drone mission represents a pivotal moment in Antarctic exploration. It demonstrates the immense potential of advanced technology to overcome the region's formidable challenges and unlock its secrets. The data collected during the mission will undoubtedly inspire future expeditions, possibly involving even more sophisticated drones, autonomous vehicles, and manned missions. As researchers delve deeper into the footage and share their findings, the world eagerly awaits answers to the many questions raised by this historic achievement. What truly lies beyond the ice wall of Antarctica? While the answer remains elusive, the first-ever footage captured by the long-distance drone offers a tantalizing glimpse into a hidden world. Whether it holds a treasure trove of scientific knowledge, evidence of ancient civilizations, or merely a reminder of nature's boundless complexity, the discoveries made during this mission have reignited humanity's spirit of exploration and its quest for understanding the unknown. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, Antarctica remains a testament to the enduring allure of the unexplored.